In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outer glow to objects in Photoshop. This effect is perfect for making subjects, shapes, or text pop off the background with a soft, radiant halo, and it only takes a minute to set up. Start by launching Adobe Photoshop. Double-click the blue Photoshop icon and give it a moment to load, especially if you have other applications running. Once it's open, bring your image into the workspace. Go to the File menu in the top left corner, choose Open, and browse to the photo or project where you want to add the glow. Click Open and you'll see your image appear on the canvas. Next, make sure you can see the Layers panel because that's where this effect is applied. Look to the lower right corner of your screen. If the panel isn't visible, press F7 on your keyboard or go to Window and select Layers. In that panel, locate your image layer. It's commonly called background unless you've renamed it. Make sure it's highlighted so you're working on the correct layer. Now open the Layer Style window, which is where all the magic happens. Right-click the image layer and choose Blending Options. A new window will appear with a list of styles on the left and controls on the right. This is the control center for shadows, glows, and other visual effects. Click Outer Glow from the list on the left. As soon as you do, the controls for the glow will appear on the right. Outer glow creates that soft, luminous edge around the contents of your layer, helping it stand out against the background. For a predictable result, set the blend mode to normal. This makes the glow color appear exactly as you choose it, without unexpected blending or tint shifts caused by the underlying image. It's a reliable choice, especially when you're just getting started. Now adjust the size of the glow. Find the size slider and set it to 21 as a starting point. A smaller value creates a subtle, tight halo, while a larger value spreads the glow further, making it more dramatic. The right value depends on your image's resolution and how bold you want the effect to be, so feel free to experiment. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK. The outer glow will be applied instantly to your selected layer. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always fine-tune it. Right-click the layer again, choose Blending Options, and tweak the settings until you're satisfied. That's all it takes to add an outer glow in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.